जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 22nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, when your senses comes in contact with objects of this world, there comes some kind of pleasure, enjoyment. But you know what, Arjuna? All these enjoyments, worldly enjoyments, brings only pain to you. That means the enjoyment, the pleasure which is coming out of contact between your sense and an object, that generates pain for Arjuna, because every object in this world has a beginning and end. That is why the pleasure which is coming out of contacting that object also will have beginning and end. That means all these worldly enjoyments are generators of pain for Arjuna. So that is why you should not be showing any interest in them. Bring down your interest, bring down your cravings towards worldly enjoyments, and start developing cravings and interest towards Atmanandam, eternal bliss. Like this, Krishna Paramatma suggesting all of us to bring down interest in worldly enjoyments, because those enjoyments are generators of pain. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yehi samsparsaja bhoga dukkayonaya evate adyantavantaha kaunteya nateshu ramate buddhaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam Saranam Vraja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Sutta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra answering all questions of Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, in the very beginning of this entire creation, Chaturmukha Brahma Sa Adidevo Jagatam Paro Guruhu. He has born out of a beautiful Padmam flower. And he started looking at that, and he also started thinking about what is the base, what is the support to this Padmam in which I am born. Sammatam prapancha nirmana vidhihi yaya bhavet. He could not understand what is the support to that. And also he could not understand how to continue the creation. He started thinking about all these things for so long. And then finally, from the water, he heard two letters. Dvyaksharam ekada ambhasi upasrunot. One aksharam, one letter is sparseshu yet shodasam. That is 16th letter. That is ta. And then eka vimsam, 21st letter. That is pa. So Chaturmukha Brahma heard two letters tapa from that water. He heard for twice. And then he started looking around who is saying these words, who is saying these two letters. He could not find anyone around him. But finally he thought maybe someone is suggesting me to do tapasya, because he heard tapa. Then he resolved to do tapasya. He did tapasya for tapasi upadishtaha ivadadhe manaha. With strong resolution, he did tapasya for 1,000 years. O Parikshit Narendra, there is no one in this entire creation who has done that kind of tapasya. And because of that tapasya, Chaturmukha Brahma got such a very magnificent darshanam. With that darshanam, darsano amogha darsano jita nilatma vijito bhayendriyaha. With that kind of darshanam, he got control over his mind. He conquered all of his senses. He conquered his pranavayu. He conquered his manas. Because of all this attainment of Chaturmukha Brahma, because of his 1,000 years of tapasya, Sriman Narayana tasmai svalokam bhagavan sabhajitaha. He felt so happy about Chaturmukha Brahma for his attainment, for his 1,000 years of tapasya. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. శ్లోకాస్ ఫ్రమ్ ముకుందమాలా స్తోత్రం. నాథేనః పురుషోత్తమే త్రిజగతామేకాధిపే చేతసా సేవ్యే స్వస్య పదస్య దాతరి సురే నారాయణే తిష్టతి. యం కంచిత్ పురుషాధమం కతిపయగ్రామే సమల్పార్ధదం సేవాయై మృగయామహే నరమహో మూకావరాకావయం. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 5th chapter 22nd శ్లోక. ఏ హి సంస్పర్శజా భోగా దుఃఖయోనయ ఏవ తే ఆద్యంతవంతః కౌంతేయ న తేషు రమతే బుధః. ఏ హి సంస్పర్శజా భోగా దుఃఖయోనయ ఏవ తే ఆద్యంతవంతః కౌంతేయ న తేషు రమతే బుధః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.